Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMBL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty modest day today, but from the grand scheme of it all, nothing wrong at all. Just a little bit of a pullback, consolidation day. But like I said, from the broader scope of things, nothing wrong. And now that brings about, okay, Clay, well, how are you defining when something would be wrong? And those of you that have watched the past videos know how we're defining that. And that has everything to do with that trend line right there, which as of now is continuing to progress upwards. And because the price continues to stay above it, that implies that the price itself is putting in higher lows. And that's how that's what reversals are built upon. Just higher bases. And then as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher bases, eventually, breakouts will occur of areas of resistance. So yes, again, there was no breakouts today, but just because there's no breakouts doesn't mean that the chart's bearish, doesn't mean that it was a bad day or anything like that. Unfortunately, no price can go straight up every day. Things just need to consolidate, but it's always a question of, well, is it at least a healthy consolidation? And again, in this situation, we are defining quote unquote healthy consolidation as, hey, do whatever you want, but as long as the price stays above that green line, then it is a healthy consolidation because it implies that the trend is still in the bull's favor. So continue to watch that level moving forward. And then as far as areas of resistance are concerned and where that breakout point is at, that is right up there at the $1.85 mark, that red line here. So like I said, didn't come into play at all today, but that it will still be that main level to watch headed into next week. So overall, yes, dare I say a pretty boring day, but boring doesn't mean bad or anything like that. It just means that nothing was really happening. It's not like the price was exploding upwards, but it also means it's not like the price was crashing down through the trend line or anything like that. So just a day of consolidation. So we'll see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.